Now we're going to test if the WP6 reggae phone is fire resistant. I'm going to put this alcohol on this plate, I will put the phone inside, and I will put more alcohol on top. We close the lights and let's see what's going to happen. Well, after the fireproof, the phone still works absolutely fine. Didn't have any damage whatsoever. As you can see, the plate did burn, but the phone is still as good as before we did the fireproof. Now we're going to test the strength of the rugged phone WP6 with this drill. First we're going to drill a hole in this piece of wood to see the strength of the drill. Now let's see if the phone's still working. No problems, no defaults, all fine. Let's see what damage this drill can do to it. Apparently, this drill has no success. I will attach this one to the drill now. Alright, well that was quite unexpected, but as you can see, the glass is way more stronger than this drill. And apparently, even though I did damage the screen, very minimal. I only damaged the glass actually, I didn't damage the phone. It's still working absolutely fine. For another strength test and durability test, we're going to put the reggae phone WP6 into some boiling oil. Let's wait until it's hot and then drop it in. Alright, now let's get the oil off the screen. Let's see if it still switches on. It is quite hot, but as you can see, the phone still works perfectly. So does the camera. Now we're going to try it with the Reggae phone WP6 is sand, mud and water resistant. Let's put some sand in this bowl first. Let's give it a stir. So it's covered well. And now let's add some of the water. As you can see, the phone still light up. Still works fine. Nothing happening. And now, because the phone is dirty, let's clean it. As you can see, still functioning as it should be. Now we're going to test the durability of the WP6 Reggae phone with this 2 kg hammer. Let's see if it can handle. Seems like it can easily resist hard impact force with this 2 kg hammer. It's still working absolutely fine. For another strength test, we're gonna hit 3 pieces of these nails inside this piece of wood. I'm gonna use the phone, I'm gonna use the screen right like this. Let's see if it will damage. I'm gonna hit on the sharp edge of the nail. As you can see, nothing. A very strong screen, unbreakable. For another durability test, we have frozen overnight the Reggae phone WP6 to see if it can withstand the freezing temperature of the freezer. What I'm not going to do, I'm going to throw it on the ground and let's see what's going to happen. The phone is still working normal. It's very cold, but that's normal with something that has been in the freezer. No malfunctions whatsoever. Let's check the camera. Camera's fine. Great. So it also withstand the freezing test. Hey guys, now we're gonna check the durability of this phone by driving over it with this 2000 kilo BMW. Let's see what will happen. Completely fine. Functioning well. no damage whatsoever.